Yeah, hello everyone. So welcome back to Brainix tutorial on Microsoft Teams. So today we have brought a very simple like video. You can say on simply for the mainly for the students who are taking nowadays the online classes, but they could not be able to join on Teams. So this video is on how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams with a link which has been sent to your WhatsApp or your email or your any other social media platform. So let's just start this without wasting further time. So I will demonstrate this video by switching to the student as well as from the teacher perspective. So we'll suppose let's switch to the students platform where he got a Microsoft Meetings joining link on his WhatsApp. So how to connect, what to install, and what to do. They are very simple steps, but still I'm doing this for you so that if there is any kind of error you are facing, so that can be removed. Okay, so let's get started. So now you can see on the screen that I am joining on Teams as a student. So this is the student, this is the mobile of one of the student. So let's suppose he got a joining link on his WhatsApp number. So I'll open the WhatsApp and yeah, see I got two links from my organization or from my coaching institute. So what to do now? You can see this first tab right over. So this is the link to install the Teams in your mobile. So this is I'm doing to join classes on a mobile. If you are a laptop user, if you want to take classes through laptop, that I will discuss on the later. It's very similar. There is only a difference of sending the link to that respective device. Okay, so I'm suppose I'll just click on this to in first on the first tab to join the to install the Microsoft Teams in my mobile. So as soon as I click on this, I will be redirected to my Play Store, and you can see that over here. I'll click on install, and my application would be installed on my this device. Even for the laptop, it is if you want to take class through your laptop or computer, you just have to send this link to a particular Gmail which is logged in your computer or laptop by copying this link and sending to that Gmail. Or you can request your organization to give you a links on your particular Gmail. To which Gmail? That is like obviously must need to be logged in your computer or PC. Yeah. Now you can see that my application has been successfully installed. If I'll open this, suppose I'll open this, let's give you an idea what basically comes in the interface. So when I click on the open, yeah, it asked me to enter your email. Don't enter your Gmail over here because Microsoft Teams don't work with the Gmail unless you are you have been invited in a particular meeting. Your Gmail will not work over here. So the emails which work is given by the organization itself. So there is no point in entering your Gmail. The main mistake which usually people do is they enter their email and or they sign up with their email, but there is no point of. If you even sign up option is coming in the downside. If you sign up with your like personal email, then you would not be able to attend the meeting which is being organized by your organization. So that is two different aspects. Okay, just don't do anything. If the email is provided by your username is provided by your organization, then only you can sign in this and successfully attend the meeting. Or else if the if the email is not provided by your organization, then you have to attend the meeting only through the link. So now we will go back to our that link in our WhatsApp. So I'll go over there. Yeah, so first link I have successfully installed. I've just installed the application. I have not logged in. I have not put any sign in. I have not put any Gmail. I don't have to do anything. Just install the app. That's it. Next I'll do, you can see the next step which is coming in the name of join conversation. And over this link is being generated by your organization to directly invite you into the meeting. So I'll just click on this link. I just have to click on this. It will ask me open with. So as I have installed the Teams recently, so I'll click on Teams and I'll just click just once, or you can click always. So now, yeah, so see the interface has been changed. It is showing me that you can join the meeting or you can sign in and join. So as I cannot sign in because I don't have my organization email, so I'll click on join meeting, type your name. I'll type my name, test user, and I'll click on join meeting. And see, this is very important step. Always allow this, don't deny this. If you deny this, you would not be able to hear your presenter's voice or your teacher's voice, and even you cannot switch on your mic and send your voice to your teacher. So this is very important, crucial step. So always click on allow, whatever it is comes. So it comes allow over here, and yeah, and now you can see that connecting meeting. Yeah, so basically here it is showing when the meeting starts, we will let people know you are in the waiting lobby. Meeting has not been started now, so I'll be over here in this page and I'll switch back to the teacher's interface. Okay, yeah, so suppose as a teacher I have to basically admit you into the class. So I will, as I've clicked on admit on the button, yeah, now you can see this easily that you are in the class. When you will enter the class, teacher will allow you in the class. They have to admit you into the class. The pop-up will come in their screen and the class will start. So you just wait over here until and unless teacher will click on the admit button on his screen or on his system. Okay, so this is how it works. See over here you can see there are two tabs coming, mic off and camera off. So currently your mic and camera is off on your device as a student. So when I want to speak to the teacher, I have to switch on the mic, and even I want to show something like my video or my work or my assignment or homework to the camera, so I have to switch on my camera. So remember this, whenever teacher asks you to open your mic, just click on this button because this is very important button. Unless you don't switch on, currently it is off, so you have to click on this. I will not switch on this because it will interfere the ecosystem in my two devices. So this is all done. That's it. You don't have to do anything. So now if we come to the second, so this is how, this is today in this video, which what we have learned is how to join to a meeting through a mobile via link. So now if suppose I'm a student and I want to take the class through laptop, so you will ask me, sir, how will I do this? So basically that how we can do this is, I'll give you in a short description. So I'll just end over here. Okay, so I'll click on red button and my quality and my classes has been ended. Exit meeting, yes. Okay. Yeah, so I'll again come back to my this link. Yeah. So what you basically, one second. Yeah, so what you basically have to do now, suppose the link has been sent to your WhatsApp, but you want to take class through your laptop. There are two ways. One is you can open your WhatsApp in your laptop and just click on the link. That is a very easy part, but a lot of students find it difficult to open a WhatsApp in the laptop because that WhatsApp must be carried by your mother, father, brother, or your relatives. So that is some kind of a different access, but still it is very easy. If it is accessible, you can do so. Just open the WhatsApp web application in your browser on your laptop and just click on this link. That's it. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to install anything. You don't have to do anything. Just click on this join conversation link. Or second way, what you can do, just click on this tab and click on the copy button over here. So I'll just click on copy over here and I'll go to my Gmail. I'll go to my Gmail and I'll compose a new email, and just in the compose tab, I'll paste this link over here. And what I have to enter in the to address, I have to enter that Gmail address or any email address which is currently logged in your laptop, so that as soon as I'll send this link, you can open that email in your laptop and you would be able to access this link, and you just have to click on this link. You don't have to do anything else. You can just directly be into the, definitely it will ask you to install a Teams in your laptop, or you want to take the classes in your browser. Definitely it will ask that, but you can choose to take the classes in the browser so that you can be redirected to browser. There is no need to install any particular app if you are using a Microsoft Edge. Okay, so if you are using a different browser like Opera or something like that, so in that case scenario could be might different. Then you might need to install your Teams in your PC also. So that is very easy. If you want me to make that video, I'll give you a brief description of like brief introduction of that video also. I think I am till now I am very much clear to you. Yeah, so I hope till this we have covered how to just join a meeting as an attendee through a link. So in a mobile laptop is very easy. I've given you a brief on laptop also, but if you want a particular like a detailed video on laptop, how to join a laptop or a computer, so I'll make a short video on that also, so that you would not able to find this any problem. So our purpose is to just help students in this situation, like you know what pandemic we are going through. So in this situation, I just want the students to don't have any kind of issue in their studies, in their in their career. So they can take classes through these small issues creates barriers in the students like education. So that's why we are just making this video. And thank you so much. If you find this video useful, you can just share to your friends, your families, and even your in your relatives, so that this video might be helpful for them also. So thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.